Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new way to make money selling products online in 2021. I don't really see any good videos about this, and there's very little information going around about how this actually works, so I wanted to break it down today. We're going to be talking about selling products on Walmart. This is going to be big, and I can just feel it, and this is like if you had gotten into Amazon FBA right when it came out. So I think we have that kind of opportunity here. People are going to become millionaires from this model, and it could be you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in watching, be sure to stick around till the end of this video. Other than that, I'm excited to get started, so let's jump right into it. So little story for you. I was doing product research like I normally do a couple days ago, and I was just on whatever market, the market doesn't really matter. I pulled up Helium 10's X-ray tool, and I saw now on Walmart. So you're telling me I can go to Walmart and I could start seeing how much sellers are making that are selling on Walmart, a platform that is super underutilized and that only has, from what I looked up, about 100,000 sellers on it compared to the 10 million sellers on Amazon. Let's go ahead and see what happens if we go to walmart.com. Go to walmart.com. Walmart recently announced, I don't know how recent this was, it's actually probably a little while ago now, that they're going to be competing with that free shipping 2-day, get your product in 2 days kind of situation. So you'll see if you're looking at it, it's actually very similar. And what the heck? I think I have this couch. I don't think I have a Walmart couch. I got it from a consignment shop. What you're going to do is you're going to type in a product, right? Just like you would for Amazon. So I'm just going to do home decor and keep it really simple, kind of like what I did on Amazon. And then you're going to be presented with some options. I actually kind of like this because now it's giving me an area to kind of go. So maybe I'll go to wall decor. And then I go to wall decor and there's some more options. So maybe I'll go wall decor, wall shelves. Now, once I'm here, I don't know why this page is so zoomed out. Let me freaking Walmart. If we pull up X-ray, theoretically this should work. X-ray, Walmart product research. That just sounds really weird to say. And it's still in beta form, so I think they're still doing some testing with this. But it does work. I can pull this up on a search page just like everything else. So look at this. Walmart.com, we're freaking looking at the amount of revenue coming in from products on Walmart.com. Let me just edit this down really quick. There's a ton of stuff. I want price on Amazon. I don't care about any of the Amazon stuff, rich media. So if we're looking at this now, let's take a look through here so we can see review count and revenue. That's really all that matters. So we have someone with 273 reviews doing $34,000 per month. As we come through here, you'll notice, well, hang on, 19 reviews doing $29,000 per month. That's incredible. I mean, if we 28 reviews doing $20,000 per month. If I were to search for just wall shelves on Amazon, do you know how saturated this would be? Okay, $11,000 per month with 7 reviews. 6 reviews, $2,000 per month. 30 reviews, $5,000 per month. This is for like a category that would be extremely saturated on Amazon. So wall shelves, one of the bigger things in home decor, we're seeing most of this page has under 100 reviews, and many of them are making $5,000 to $30,000. I mean, if that's not an opportunity, I don't know what is. So here's where this gets interesting, because Walmart, I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. Walmart does have a fulfillment by Walmart option. Right? So you could send your products to Walmart just like you could send your products to Amazon, and that technically is something that they do. However, they don't have the infrastructure that Amazon has. So primarily with Walmart.com, it's gonna be pretty difficult from what I can understand to get accepted into that fulfillment by Walmart program. So what you're probably going to have to do is start selling on Amazon as a fulfilled by merchant seller. Sell things that Walmart is lacking on. Get really good sales on Walmart.com. Build a bit of a brand on Walmart.com. Have really good customer service with your account. Then apply for that fulfillment by Walmart.com, and they will most likely accept you in. I don't think you can just make a Walmart selling account right now and go get accepted into that, because they just don't have the warehouse space to accept a flood of sellers. If I make this video, thousands of people sell it, 1,000 people go and try, and they don't have the same space that Amazon has. Amazon has an incredible amount of warehouse space. Walmart, however, is just starting this. They don't have that yet. But that doesn't really kill anything, right? We can still do fulfilled by merchant, or we can use a third-party warehouse. Or, listen to this, if you already have products listed on Amazon.com, you list a wall shelf here, then just make your listing here. Every time you make an order on Walmart.com, create a manual fulfillment order from Amazon. Go into your Seller Central account, click on the product, on the little left-hand side, manual fulfillment order, create fulfillment order, send it to the address from the customer who ordered the product on Walmart. That's totally hands-off. So now you're almost drop shipping the product, but Amazon is the source and you're sending it to Walmart if your products already exist there. If not, me personally, I think I might test this. I'm really, really interested in this, and I'm letting you guys know pretty much as soon as I found out about this. This is super incredible, and I'm probably going to be working with a third-party warehouse system. Just send products to the customers as they get ordered from Walmart. This is something I wouldn't sleep on. If you're a hungry entrepreneur that's looking for a way to make money online, maybe you already make money on Amazon, open your eyes up to the possibilities here. Now, if we start seeing even a fraction, half the traffic that's going to Amazon starting to go to Walmart, could you imagine how, if you had 20 products on Walmart.com by the end of next year, over the course of the next 10 years, how large Walmart.com and their infrastructure can get, and the amount of social proof you could build over that time, the amount of people that are using Walmart with that 1 or 2 day free shipping. This could be like Amazon 2.0, and you could be one of the people that was making ridiculous money before anyone knew about Amazon FBA from Walmart.com. So the tool we were using today was X-Ray. This company keeps surprising me more and more. If you have Helium 10, awesome, you can use this right now. I didn't have to do any update whatsoever. If you don't have Helium 10, there will be a link down below. You can get 10% off every month for the entire time that you have Helium 10. It's a subscription-based software. And you could go to Walmart right now and start doing product research on Walmart and seeing what sellers are making, thinking about how you would list that product. And a lot of these products don't have good photography. I mean, it's an amazing, amazing opportunity. So with that being said, let me know down in the comments down below what you think about selling on Walmart.com. Are you going to be trying it? Do you see some upsides or some downsides that I'm not seeing to doing it? Let me know. I'm definitely interested in hearing your feedback. But other than that, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in and spending some time with me here today. Be sure to subscribe down below. It helps me so much as a growing YouTube channel to get more subscribers, and I like having you guys around. So thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Later.